Benefits of eating potatoes. 1. Nutrient-rich. Potatoes are a good source of vitamins C and B6, minerals, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. 2. Energy source. High in carbohydrates, providing a quick source of energy. 3. Digestive health. Contains fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. 4. Satiety. Can help in feeling full for longer, potentially aiding in weight management. 5. Versatile. Can be prepared in various ways, making them a staple in many cuisines. Disadvantages of eating potatoes. 1. High glycemic index. Potatoes can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, which may be a concern for diabetics. 2. Caloric content. When fried or prepared with a lot of fat, they can be high in calories, contributing to weight gain. 3. Solanine. Green or sprouted potatoes contain solanine, a toxic compound that can cause health issues if consumed in large amounts. 4. Digestive issues. Excessive consumption can lead to digestive problems, such as bloating and gas. 5. Allergies. Some people may be allergic to potatoes, causing reactions like itching, swelling, or digestive discomfort. To watch videos related to health, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to watch informative videos first.